Where is my contour? Where are you, contour? Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I've realized thank you so much for 200 plus subscribers. I really appreciate it so much. I really appreciate you guys so much. So yeah, in today's video it was all over the place. The lighting is very bad. It changed drastically, but I hope you guys manage. I hope you guys like this video. So yeah, without blabbing, without wasting much time, let's just get into the video. So I have moisturized my face and all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and apply foundation today. I'm not going to apply any primer. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Mary Kay matte wear liquid foundation. So this is in the shade bronze 2. So this is what it comes in with. It doesn't come in with a pump. I guess this foundation, I don't know how long it has been in the market, but I really love it so much. It has a very full coverage. So this is what I'm having here. I'm going to apply that with my brush, this particular one right here. So this foundation is going to look like very orangey on my skin, but it oxidizes. Okay, it will oxidize. So at first I used to apply my I used to do my brows and then the eyeshadow makeup before I even do the skin, but now I just like to focus on the skin before I do anything else. So I decided to change the style of my scarf because I wasn't having the first one. I don't know, because the first one was too revealing. I didn't know what I was thinking. So I hope this one is better. I think this is much better. I was just trying to switch things up, but anyways, I am going to go in with a sponge and then go over the foundation to get rid of any harsh line, or I don't know if there's any strokes from the brush. It is going to smoothen everything out. So yeah, let's move on. So second of all, I am going to conceal as always. For today's makeup look, I want to I'm going for this bright under eye makeup look. I really like that look, that bright. So I'm going to take the brush I used to apply the foundation on my face, the same brush, and then apply the concealer. I like to take it at the side of my nose, as you can see. Now I'm done applying the concealer on my face. I'm going to move on to contour. I'm going to first cream contour my face before I go ahead and blend. I like to leave my concealer to sit for a minute. So yeah, let's go ahead and contour. Where is my contour? Where are you, contour? My daughter. So yeah, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to contour my face, and I can't find my contour brush, so I'm going to use this one. Dip into the contour like that, and then I like to start right underneath the brows and then work my way down. So yeah, now I'm going to take the brush I used to apply my, to blend out my foundation, and then blend out the contour because it makes it very easy to blend, because we have excess product on it, so it's going to be very easy to blend. And when you are blending your contour, make sure you blend it upwards like this. Do not drag it down, because the aim is to fake a cheekbone. So if you are dragging it down, then you're rather, I don't know. So blending is done. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend out the the concealer. I'm not going to blend out the nose contour yet. I'm just going to leave it on for a while and then blend out the concealer before I go ahead to blend the contour, which is on the nose. So I'm taking my sponge and then starting from the the edges, the outer parts first. So make sure when you are blending your concealer, especially if you want a very full coverage, go in with a very light hand. Like, do not press on it like that, because it's going to soak up the product and you are going to be left with nothing, guys. Well, it depends on what you want. So yeah, that's one tip for you guys. Now I'm going to contour, blend out the nose concealer. So now, taking my Real Techniques brush, I'm going to blend out the contour, and this is how I'm blending it. That is also done. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my my concealer using the Benign banana powder. This is what it looks like. So I'm not going to bake yet. I'm going to press it underneath the eyes, before I go ahead to bake. So I have been talking to myself for a minute now, not knowing I wasn't even recording. Anyways, moving on, I went ahead and set the concealer on my face. Now I'm going to bake using this MAC setting powder. So I'm going to set the brows as well. I like to set my brows. Sorry for the lighting change. I don't know, it's golden hour, and yeah, I don't know why I decided to film a video at this time, whilst I know it will be dark soon. But anyways, let's be quick. So I went ahead and did my brows, as you can see, and then set my lid with a concealer. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. For today's makeup eyeshadow look, it's going to be very simple, as read by the title. So yeah, no lashes, and hope you guys like it though. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to take my eyeshadow palette. This is the palette I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here, the shade right here. I hope you guys can see this particular one. Yes, this one right here. I'm going to take that and then take this brush right here. It looks dirty, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to take that and then set my lid. So we are creasing a little bit. Let me go ahead and blend it out. So I'm taking that shade to set the lid first. So if you have, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow. If you have any brown eyeshadow, you can use it. So I'm going to focus that at the outer V first, you know, go in circular motions like that, you know, go in circular motions, and then gradually working my way in the crease, you know, going back and forth. Taking it all the way in as well, you know. So I'm going to take it on the lower lash line as well. Let's squeeze the tip of the brush. So yeah, that is it for this eye. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and then come back and, you know, we continue. I'm going to line my eyes with the brown eyeliner. I'm not going to use any black eyeshadow or something. I forgot to set the entire face, so I'm going to do that now. Guys, I am very sorry about my lighting. I don't know if this video is even going to make it to YouTube because the lighting change was intense, guys. So I forgot to set my whole face, so I am doing that now. I'm going to dust off the powder underneath my eyes. So yeah, now moving on, I'm going to set my contour and I'm using the Kat Von D palette. I'm going to dip into this two shades right here, this two shades right here, this two, you know, and set my contour. Going in circular motions. Now I am going to go ahead and line my eyes. You know, I am all over the place, guys, pardon me. So I went ahead and applied my, you know, what's it called, my highlighter, as you can see, and unfortunately my camera cut off, so you didn't see that part. I just realized that. So yeah, this is the one I used the one in my eyeshadow palette. I used this before and it was very blinding, so I decided to use it again. So yeah, that's basically what I did. So moving on, I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm simply going to use an orange, you know, blush, orange eyeshadow as my blush. To be sitting on the highlight, the highlighter sitting on the blush. I don't know. Now moving on, I'm going to line my lips. I'm going to move on to the lips now. I'm taking this mini brown, chocolatey brown lipstick, you know, and then I'm going to line my lip. That's all for the lip. So now I'm going to apply some mascara. As you can see, I did not, you know, wear lashes. Like, I'm not going to wear lashes in this video. I am going to wear mascara, and this is the one I'm using, guys. Ever since I bought this, like, I don't even worry about lashes anymore. So yeah, I'm going to put on my lashes. So yeah, as you can see, I have my mascara on, and guys, I am really loving this mascara. Like, it makes my lashes spiky, and I don't know if I'm using the right word, but anyways, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm very sorry about the lighting. Next time I'll try my best to film at the right time to do. I don't know, I just wanted to film something. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you guys are going to recreate this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Anyways, if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, and guys, thank you so much. If you are new here, Kelechi reviewed my page, and then I got additional subscribers, and thank you guys so much for subscribing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and then comment down below, leave your comments in the section down below, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.